Hello. We are getting a big snowstorm, and so I am out and about with Mr. Jackson Dog Fuzzy Butt and getting some steps in with the weighted vest. Also, he likes to stop a lot, so the weighted vest always makes it a little bit more challenging. So today's topic I wanted to go over is the pre-approval process. Now, I already did a video that talked about the difference between pre-approval and pre-qualified. Pre-qualified is more like conversation. Pre-approved is actually doing the documents that say what you say is actually true. So I'm going to talk about the process itself. And I don't want to get that confused with just having the conversation of the pre-qualified. Pre-approval, we're going to get all the documents, do a full loan application, that kind of thing. So from start to finish, in a nutshell, you are going to fill out a application. This gives your residency history, properties you own, if applicable, enough information to be able to pull a credit report, your employment history. We usually look back 2 years on that. Your down payment, where all those funds are at. Has a couple more questions like foreclosure, or are you going to live in the property, some stuff like that. So you fill out the application and your lender can then pull a credit report, which I do recommend. Go ahead and just getting that over with. A lot can be hiding on a credit report that you're not aware of. So credit report pull, that's going to show minimum monthly payments on the debts that you owe. It's going to give a credit score, a lot of other information as well your lender's going to be looking at. Then you're also going to supply documents that support your application. Those generic items are the most recent 30 days of pay stubs, last 2 years of W-2s and 1099s, last 2 years of tax returns, 2 months of bank statements. Programs are different. Sometimes it's 3 months, sometimes it's just 1 month of bank statements. A copy of your driver's license. And just remember to include all pages. If there's any blank pages or anything like that are missing, the underwriter gets kind of mad about that. So once you get all those over to your lender, they're going to review that. And they're going to get a good picture of what your income is, how much down payment you have, what your credit score is. And that's actually going to give you what your loan program is going to be that's best suited to you. I always like to do an extra step and review your budget. So just because you can be approved for something doesn't mean it's always the very best thing to do in your financial world. So do the application, pull the credit, provide the documents, get a good picture of what it is that you're approved for. Then you head on out home shopping, right? So it's always a good idea to have that pre-approval done way before you go home shopping. Kind of would be a waste of time if you're out looking at stuff you can't afford or whatever. So that's kind of the basics. What is the pre-approval process? I hope you're having a fantastic day, and Zephyr's Mortgage in Motion is out.